Jai Shri Ram. Sundarkanda Parayanam chapters 25-26. Sita's sorrow. Sita Devi was in despair. She started crying and said to the demons, I am not going to listen to you. Please kill me and eat me. Sita Devi lamented even more. Her sadness had no boundaries. Sita Devi started talking to herself. I cannot live without my husband anymore. These demon ladies will torture me. I cannot live away from my husband. Without Sri Rama, it is impossible to live. I do not know what kind of bad deeds I did in my previous births. I am suffering now. Uniting with Sri Rama seems impossible. I cannot live as I wish, nor can I die as I wish. Shame on human life. Shame on being a slave. Sita Devi lost herself in her sorrow. She was talking to herself and did not know what was happening around her. Why should I live? Why do I need ornaments? Where is my Rama? Why didn't he come to protect me? Sita's mind played tricks on her because of her sorrow and sadness. She continued to doubt and thought, maybe Rama thinks it is impossible to get into Lanka city. Why did not Rama protect his loving wife when Ravana was stealing her? The only bird, Jatayu, fought with Ravana. Maybe he died and could not reach Rama. If Rama knew I was here, he would have come to take me. The time limit Ravana gave me is coming closer. Ravana will kill me and eat me for breakfast. Great people, Mahatmas or sages do not have likes and dislikes. For them, happiness and sadness are the same. Because of love and attachment, likes and dislikes, happiness and sadness are generated. Those who leave this body attachment are sages. I bow down to them. She gathered strength with this self-prophecy and thought philosophically. Thus, even in her sorrow, Sita Devi realized that death is not in our hands. Reflection. In desperate situations, we think death is the easy solution, but we should gather our strength and face the circumstances intelligently. Jai Shri Ram. Chapter 25 and 26 complete.